Hello, welcome to this laptop screen replacement guide for the HP Pavilion 15T-AK000. The first step is going to be to remove the battery. Removing the battery is a very simple process. Just push the left lock to the right and hold the right lock to the left. And while you're holding that, just pull out the battery. Step 2. Unlock the bezel hinges. This laptop has 2 hinges in the back. To unlock them, simply use your fingernails and pull them down until you hear a snap. Do that for both left and right. Step 3. Remove the bezel screws. In the bottom left, as well as the bottom right corners, there's going to be screws, and at first they're going to be covered, but using a flathead screwdriver or your fingernail, you'll be able to remove them. Now, I already have them removed, but if you were to do this, take a flathead screwdriver like this one and simply pry it off. Make sure you keep them if you want to put them on later. This will reveal 2 screws, one on the left, one on the right, and to remove them, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. It doesn't matter which order you remove them in, as long as they're both out. And of course, make sure to keep them in a safe place, as we will need them later. Step 4. Remove the bezel. Now this will probably be the hardest part of the entire process, but don't get overwhelmed. You're going to need a credit card, or you can use your fingernails, but it'll be easier with a credit card. And simply pry off the bezel. And you're going to be hearing clicking noises as it's being removed. The top, left, and right are the easiest parts. However, the bottom is going to be the hardest part of this entire process. There's going to be tape, and you need to make sure that the tape stays onto the screen and not with the bezel. Now, once all of the plastic is unlocked, you are able to pull it out. The easiest way to do this is to push the screen forward, and then it'll be easy to pull it out. Step 5. Unscrew the old screen. First, you need to remove 2 silver screws at the top. They will be the innermost, not the outermost screws. Make sure to keep these in a separate pile from the other screws. Now there are 2 more screws that you have to remove at the bottom. Go ahead and unscrew them. Keep these 2 screws in their own pile as well. Step 6. Disconnect your old screen. Gently pull the screen out of the laptop and place it onto the keyboard. Pull up the sticky plastic part. Once it is pulled over, you'll be able to push forward the old connector. You will now be able to remove your old screen. Step 7. Attach your new screen. Unwrap your new screen if you haven't yet. I got my screen from laptopscreen.com for a great price, and I had it shipped to me within just a few days. First, place the protective cover on your keyboard. Next, place your new screen on the protective cover, upside down. Finally, push the connector back into the new screen. Make sure that it is firmly attached. And then reapply the HP sticker. Step 8. Screw in your new screen. Place your screen back where it belongs in the laptop. Make sure that the screw holes are aligned properly. To finish the job, just do all of the steps in reverse order. Start with the bottom 2 screws, and once you're done with those, screw the top 2 in. Step 9. Replace the bezel. If your screen came with one, remove the plastic screen protector by simply pulling it gently. Now, place the bezel back onto the laptop. Be sure to snap in all parts of the bezel. Push your fingers along the edges to make sure all of it is secure. Now, screw the 2 black screws back onto the bezel. If you still have the plastic covers, reapply them. To do that, simply push them on top of the screws. Step 10. Insert the battery. Simply put the battery back in like shown. Make sure you push it in until it locks. Secure it by pushing the lock to the left in this position. Now for the moment of truth. Turn the laptop back on and voila, you should see the HP logo. Thanks for watching.